Hey folks, this is David from 60 Second Designs, and today I'm going to be covering the Eyedropper Tool. The Eyedropper Tool allows us to sample colors from a shape or image. We can find this tool by navigating over to the upper left corner of our screen and clicking on the button within the toolbar which looks like an eyedropper. This tool can also be selected by pressing I on our keyboard. Alright, so now with our Eyedropper Tool enabled, we can move over to our canvas and left click inside of our shape to sample the color. To determine if we selected the color correctly, we can reference the fill icon within our toolbar on the left side of our screen. If the color within the fill icon changes after clicking, we'll know that we've correctly sampled our color. In order to add our sampled color to a new shape, we simply need to have that shape selected, and then, with the Eyedropper Tool enabled, click on our preferred color. To save our sampled color for future use, press the plus icon within the swatches panel in order to add that color to the swatch library. To deselect, we'll have to choose a different tool in order to change our cursor. And that's all there is to it. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about the Eyedropper Tool, please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!